Hello, in this short video I'm going to tell you how to load the new HSB General ribbons. So as a first step, please type in the command CUI Load into your command bar. After that, please browse for the file name and browse for the HSB General CUIX. This file is located in your installation folder from hsbcad under hsbDesign 29, Content, General, Ribbon. And there you can find the HSB General CUIX. Click Open and then click Load to load it into your current profile. If you click and close, the new ribbon appears and all the icons are available then for you to use. Thanks for watching and happy designing.